Hello everyone. Design thinking is an innovative approach to solve human-centered problems and to bringing out the creativity and innovation. So there are 5 stages in design thinking, which starts from empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. And we're going to see the third stage is called ideate in design thinking in this video. After the empathy and by collecting all the data and pain challenges, and the team will put into the define stage, and by asking so many questions they will come to have a good problem statement actually. So this ideation stage is all about bringing out the feasible solution or the feasible idea that can be on hand to implement for the prototype stage. Yes, exactly. The ideation is not limited to numbers. Like whenever you have a problem and if you try to solve the problem with a solution, so let us have your ideas in a broad minded. For example, you will have a team to work and solve the problems, and each member in a team may have different ideas to solve the problem. And definitely the idea must have an innovation and creativity so that we can involve the technology and creativity too. So once you work with a team, the team will generate multiple ideas, but as a member, as a design thinker, you should not neglect any ideas that arrive from the team members. So instead of that, you can list down all the ideas that you had and prioritize the idea and choose the best idea and feasible one for solving the problem. For gathering the ideas, you shall have a brainstorming with your team members. Brainstorming in the sense like you can ask open-ended question, how do we solve it and what technology we can use, so which technology is affordable to everyone and which is very easy for everyone. So you can brainstorm your team members and collect the various ideas and note it down in the boards. And the second form of collection of ideas like mind mapping. You can do a mind map that regarding the ideas that comes in your mind, and you can do a lot of process to bring out the ideas actually, and make sure that you should list down all the ideas and try to prioritize the idea based on the experts. So once the ideas are in the prioritized form, like you can have a pitching with your team members and also pitching with the experts, pitching with the users, and you can arrive the best ideas actually. And one thing to note down, for solving a simple problem, the technology alone is not enough, or the technology is not mandatory to solve all the ideas. And sometimes it may include idea, the technology, and may not include the technology, but the actual fact is to give a feasible solution that could be affordable to each and every one of the things. For solving the design thinking, the cross functionality of team is very, very important. That means a group of members who can work to collaborate and solve the problem to bring out the innovation and creativity. So definitely there will be a conflict in the teams when you work on the ideation stage, and that conflicts and the discussion and the WH questions that arise in the ideation will definitely gives us an insight to bring out the best ideas actually. So always collaborate and work, and there are a lot of digital tools to collaborate and to bring the ideas actually the best one. And the users also, users are people here. Whenever there is a product arrive in the market, is all about for solving a problem. The grinder came because to solve the problem of using the traditional method. The refrigerator came to solve the problem of keeping the water chill or keeping the juice something in a cool atmosphere. And air conditioners arrived in the market because to solve the temperature and to get a comfortness. So like this, whatever product or whatever idea that prevailing in the market, it's all about the user need. So try to have the idea which the user will always like to use it. So that gives the best one to us. If you do not have the feasible idea and an affordable idea, then definitely the product will get into failure. For a simple problem, if you give a lot of technology and you keep a cost in a crore or in a lakhs, so definitely customers, they will not try to prefer the ideation. So make your idea always simple, but the idea should solve or reduce the problem and the pain which you observe from the empathy. Thank you.